told you I had a plan, experiment I want to try for these ends. So what I've been doing is, I took them to my cutting board and I cut them in half as best as I could. And then I'm going to make real thin slices, real thin, so that they're like that. Because if these things weren't so woody and tough, they've still got the broccoli flavor in them. Why not? Why throw them away? Why not try to do something with them besides toss them? That's what I'm doing. I mean, I'm not out anything by doing this. I already had these things, and we'll see. We'll see how it works. So what my plan is, in case you're interested, is I'm going to put these in a pot with the water that I blanched the other broccoli in. And I'm going to boil it until these things are very, very tender. Very tender, like almost gone tender. And then I'm going to run them through a blender to make sort of a base for a soup. Like a lot of times I like a potato broccoli soup, or a broccoli chicken soup, or even just broccoli soup. So I'll have a really good flavored base already started to make that soup. And hopefully boiling this and then running it through a blender will make it, you know, I'm pretty sure it's going to work. But I didn't want to throw all these ends away. What a waste, huh? So that's my plan. Okay, so now I just dumped all the things I cut up into this pan. And then, let's show you the water over here that I blanched all the broccoli in before. I'm going to probably just scoop some of this into that pan over there and get my, I guess you could call it a stock, my base going. We'll dump those in there. Dump some of this water over it. Basically, I put enough in just to cover the broccoli. Yeah. There we go. Flame on. Alright, I'm going to cook those down and see how tender I can get them. And use them for a soup base. Yay! Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. And I've been cooking these for quite a while. I'd say, half hour, maybe 45 minutes. And they're still a little tough. Not bad. I mean, the fork does go right through it. But I want them to break down. Oh, that's really good. Steam up that camera. Sorry. Before the screen fogged up. Or the lens. See, they're pretty soft. You know, they're smashing pretty easy. I'm wondering if I should put them in the blender now. Maybe I'll let them cook for another 30 minutes. And then I'll come back and check them. Alright, I just checked this stuff and it is super smushy. So I've got my blender set up over here and I'm going to run it through this blender. Yay! Smells good. Almost all of the water that I had in there did boil down, cook off. Okay, let's see how this works. And if I need a little more liquid in there, then I'll grab a can of chicken broth or something. Noise. Hold your breath. Hold your ears. It worked. Oops. Can't get the lid off. Wow. That is going to make the best base for soup. Look at that. Broccoli. Broccoli stock, I guess. How cool. All right, well that's done. Smells like broccoli. Smells good. Alrighty. Well, I'm just going to put that, I'm going to let that cool. And then I think I'm just going to freeze it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so that's it for the broccoli stock. And I used the ends of the broccoli that I froze today. So if I make a chicken and broccoli soup or a potato soup, potato and broccoli, wow, awesome. Okay, one more project done. Cool. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.